Welcome, nature enthusiasts, to another swinging episode of Wild Wonder. Today, we're venturing into the lush canopies of tropical forests to uncover the remarkable world of gibbons, the acrobats of the treetops. Gibbons belong to the family Hylobatidae, which consists of 20 species divided into 4 genera. They are small apes and are considered the fastest and most agile of all tree-dwelling primates. Gibbons are highly adapted to life in the trees, possessing long arms, curved fingers, and strong shoulder joints that allow them to swing effortlessly from branch to branch in a behavior known as brachiation. Gibbons are famous for their hauntingly beautiful vocalizations, which include loud whoops, hoots, and melodic songs that can be heard echoing through the forest canopy. These calls serve to establish territory, attract mates, and communicate with family members. Gibbons typically form monogamous pairs, with a single male and female forming a lifelong bond. They are often seen engaging in mutual grooming and affectionate behaviors, strengthening their social bonds. Gibbons fiercely defend their territories from neighboring groups, with males and females duetting to proclaim their presence and warn off intruders. These territorial boundaries help to reduce competition for food and resources. Gibbons are primarily frugivorous, meaning they primarily eat fruits, but they also consume leaves, flowers, and occasionally insects. Their diet varies depending on the availability of food within their forest habitat. Gibbons have a relatively long gestation period, and females typically give birth to a single offspring every 2 to 3 years. Both parents are involved in caring for the young, with the father providing protection and the mother carrying and nursing the infant. Gibbons are incredibly agile and can move through the forest canopy with remarkable speed and precision. Their brachiation technique allows them to cover large distances while expending minimal energy. Gibbons face numerous threats in the wild, including habitat loss due to deforestation, hunting for bushmeat and the illegal pet trade, and fragmentation of their forest habitats due to human encroachment. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to protect gibbon populations and their forest habitats through initiatives such as habitat restoration, anti-poaching patrols, and community education programs. Time for a quiz, nature enthusiasts. What is the primary method of locomotion used by gibbons to move through the forest canopy? Is it A, walking, B, running, or C, brachiation? Give it your best guess. Gibbons are found in dense forests across Southeast Asia, including parts of Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, Laos, Vietnam, and Myanmar. Gibbons vary in size depending on the species, with the smallest, the northern white-cheeked gibbon, weighing around 5 kilograms 11 pounds, and the largest, the siamang, weighing up to 14 kilograms 31 pounds. Gibbons exhibit sexual dimorphism, with males typically being larger than females and often displaying distinctive coloration or markings on their fur. In the wild, gibbons have an average lifespan of around 25 to 30 years, although they can live longer in captivity, with some individuals reaching over 40 years of age. Gibbons have a complex vocal repertoire, with different species producing distinct calls and songs that vary in pitch, duration, and intensity. Gibbons typically live in small family groups consisting of a mated pair and their offspring, although some species may form larger groups of up to 6 individuals. Gibbons have incredibly flexible joints, particularly in their wrists and shoulders, which allow them to make rapid, precise movements while brachiating through the forest canopy. Gibbons are diurnal animals, meaning they are active during the day and rest at night, usually sleeping in trees to avoid predators. Gibbons play a crucial role in maintaining the health of tropical rainforests by dispersing seeds through their feces, helping to regenerate forest growth and maintain biodiversity. Gibbons use scent marking to communicate with other individuals, rubbing their chests and genital areas on branches and foliage to leave behind their scent. In addition to brachiation, gibbons are skilled climbers and can ascend vertical tree trunks and leap across large gaps with ease. Some species of gibbons have been observed using tools, such as sticks or leaves, to extract insects from crevices or to access hard-to-reach food items. Gibbon pairs engage in vocal duetting, where males and females sing together in coordinated sequences, reinforcing their pair bond and territorial boundaries. Gibbons primarily feed on the foliage of trees, consuming a variety of leaves, shoots, and young buds, which provide them with essential nutrients and energy. Gibbons have a slow reproductive rate, with females typically giving birth to a single offspring every 2 to 3 years, contributing to their vulnerability to population declines. Gibbons perform acrobatic displays during territorial encounters, swinging from branches, vocalizing loudly, and making threatening gestures to intimidate rival groups. Many gibbon species are currently threatened with extinction due to habitat loss, hunting, and the illegal pet trade, with several species listed as endangered or critically endangered by the IUCN. Gibbon groups may exhibit regional dialects in their vocalizations, with variations in pitch, rhythm, and duration reflecting the unique characteristics of different populations. Gibbons have specialized adaptations for leaf eating, including enlarged molars and a complex stomach structure that allows them to efficiently digest fibrous plant material. Gibbons hold cultural significance in many indigenous cultures across Southeast Asia, where they are revered as symbols of the forest and are often featured in folklore, art, and traditional ceremonies. Answer to the quiz. The correct answer is C, brachiation. Gibbons are masters of brachiation, using their long arms to swing gracefully through the treetops. As we wrap up our aerial adventure with gibbons, we've marveled at their acrobatic skills, melodic vocalizations, and complex social structures. Join us next time on Wild Wonder for more incredible encounters with the wonders of the natural world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our podcast for more wild discoveries. Until then, keep swinging through the trees with curiosity and appreciation for these amazing apes.